Boom. We here with the G35. He just pulled the freaking interior apart. Well, both the door cards apart because
We're stripping this bitch.
Yep.
Pull the mirrors off. Side skirts.
So, this one just left.
Yeah, this one's missing. I saw the other one.
Let them know if you find it, it's gone.
But mirrors off, door cards out. About to pull the diff to weld the diff because I'm tired of this LSD opening up the track. The mirrors are off because we're gonna paint those.
Yep, mirrors are getting painted. What color?
Black.
Black.
And everything else is getting pulled off. These, this,
all the accessories.
that. We're gonna wrap it all black. That arrives in 2 days.
Yep. So we're gonna be filming that too.
This is all in preparation for Slammed Enough in less than 2 months.
This thing's gonna be completely other car again. It's going through another phase.
I think we're tying up.
It's not a phase.
It's not a phase, Mom.
We got both the axles out.
We got knock out my other tooth.
We got cut the main bolts. We got a prying action happening. We got a little prying at 3 bolts, and this mother effer should be out.
Ow. All right. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. It's out.
It's out. what was that just flew off the
One of the bushy caps. We got merch. If you guys are interested, DM the Avarice Instagram. We've got these pocket tees for sale in a variety of colors, really just large and extra large men's right now. If you're interested, hit us up, man. We'll ship some. We'll ship it. We are back. We got the diff all boogered up on the inside. Can't really see it because the opening is so small. Because it's the LSD, I also have to weld up the planetary all the way around. About to get this cover resealed up and throw it back in. I also got the mirrors off and started scuffing them up, ready to prime. Making progress. Diff cover is back on with all the bolts torqued to spec, 32 foot-pounds, all sealed up. Honda exploded on me, the coolant pissed everywhere and the car overheated. We're just here pressure testing it. And already found one leak under the radiator.
Take the camera for your spin.
Show them that shit down there.
Okay. Yeah, let's get the light. So, I don't know if you've ever seen this, you guys. The spot where the drain cock is, it's leaking, dude. Literally, you can probably see the drips on the camera, but it's just making a puddle.
I'm thinking there's more as well.
And then where this bottom radiator hose connects, where the thermostat is really wet from oil and probably also coolant. All in one.
It definitely is from oil, but I can't tell if there's some water in there.
And then just showed like how much oil, like go look at this.
Yeah, this thing is pissing.
There's like oil
Puddles on the runners.
on the intake runners. Puddle down here, and I wanted to check if it was oil or fucking coolant, and I shoved the magnet here.
And this shit was out. That's probably why there's a fucking puddle.
Yeah. Hold on, let me get
This one's loose too. This one's fucking hand tight.
They work their way loose, but like we were wondering, like we showed on the camera already, like why is there so much oil pissing out the back of it? It's because of that. That'll do it. But it was because you were wanting to check for.
That's pretty wet.
That looks wet like water.
See the piss in that yet. Fucking head gasket, I hope.
Hey, it's still got full compression.
190.
Is there a coolant passage into the intake?
I mean, that's what my Lexus has, so that's like a 90s technology thing.
This is the front. Is this the water pump over here doing this shit? I think this is where I'm going to end off part one of this little mini summer refresh of this car. We got the diff welded and in. The wrap has arrived. Side skirts came in today. You're going to see that in part two. This thing's getting new side skirts. Full wrap. Painting the mirrors. Some extra goodies. I'm not going to spoil it yet. Maybe something for these too. These door cards are kind of wearing out. Maybe a little cleanup on those. We'll see what else happens. But that is going to be happening. Hopefully, our goal is before Slammed Enough St. Louis. We'll see how this happens. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. It really helps. I think that's the first time I've ever said that on this channel.